about to unbox this Hamilton Beach mixer. Hamilton Beach. Hi everyone, today we will be doing a Hamilton Beach mixer unboxing. Christmas is a favorite time of the year and we love to do cake mixing, and what an easy process this mixer will make it. I normally make it with my hands, wheeling and spinning around with my hands, and get tired, and I go ahead and go over and over again and do it again to get it right. But when you do it with this mixer, man, it's speed the process up, and you don't take much time to get it mixed and in the right way. Even when you're mixing the egg and the sugar, oh my gosh, this is gonna be such an exciting addition to the cake mixing process. So stay tuned as we unbox the Hamilton Beach stand mixer. Yes guys, so we are about to unbox this beautiful equipment that we use to do our cake mixing on Christmas time. Are you anxious like me to see what's inside this box? Well, a picture paint 1,000 words. Okay, let me get this out of the box. Wait, let me tell you a bit about it before I unbox it. So, as I said, it's a Hamilton Beach stand mixer. It's powerful. It has a 300-watt motor. Very good. There's a picture here on the side that shows you a diagram of how it mixes. And it said mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. That means while mixing, you won't miss anything in the bowl. Like when you're mixing the egg and the sugar together, yeah, it will just grind up everything and give you a good mixing. Some of the feature of this Hamilton Beach mixer: it offers better mixing than the 2-beater stand mixers. I've never used those before, so I'll just go ahead and believe what they say here. It comes with 3 attachments, and it have a 4-quart stainless steel bowl. It includes splatter guard. Wow. I think I'll show you the splatter guard inside, but I can show you a picture of it on this side. But when I unbox it, you will see it better. There's a plastic see-through here. Okay. It also comes in different language, so if, like we're in Canada, and you speak different language, you can read it right there. Well, I don't speak French. Okay, now let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful machine. Let me move the box aside and put it down. Ta-da! Oh, you can't see it? Okay, let me go further. So here it comes. Let's get this protective plastic from around it. This one doesn't come with a detachable card. It comes attached to it. Now look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Here's another protection piece of paper to prevent scratching or movement in the box while in transportation. So let me just open this up. So, as it says, it comes with 3 attachments. 3 attachments. So this is one. It's very easy to do. It comes with a hole with one shape. You only have one shape, one way for the shaft to go in. If you take a look at the shaft, you can see it has a shaft with an extended piece right here that holds the spring up. And so together both of them have the shape of the hole right there. This is a plastic and metal together. So you turn it, it can only go one way. You turn it, you fit over the hole, you push up and then turn it clockwise. And that's it. Very easy and simple to do. To take it off, you push up, turn it counterclockwise and pull down. Oh, and make it look so easy, eh? All right. So that's one. So we have this part. This is full aluminum, very stronger. You know, sometimes we want to make our cake with the mixture very rich and heavy. This will go perfect. It won't break. The hole in the bottom is the same as the other one. It also comes with a little looking hole so you can see what you're doing. And this also, you can use it to, this is where the notch goes from big to small to keep it on to the shaft. So you look and then you line it up with the hole, you push it up, you press on the spring, then you turn it clockwise, you let go. With the last one, I will bring it down and put the cover on. This is a plastic shield to prevent splashing with the last one. So I'm going to take this one off. So you push up, you turn it counterclockwise, you pull down, put away. And here is the last one. This is the one for your complete spinning, so it catches everything. It's almost as big as the bottom of the bowl. Well, you know it works and it goes to the corner and it comes back to that corner and come back to the corner. So yeah, it's the same thing as the other one, the whole shape as the shaft, and where you can see what you're doing. So I put this on and then put on the splash guard. So it's simple. You push up with the spring and you turn clockwise. And there we go. To close, we squeeze down, push down. As you can see, if you look in the bowl, how near the mixer is to the bowl, so you won't miss anything, and it goes around. So now we put on the splash guard. That's it. Very easy to do. So if you look on the top, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different functions. So it has 7 different functions, and it has 7 speed. So it can go as fast as you like. You know, when you're mixing the cake and not the cake. When you're mixing the egg and the butter, a slow speed, maybe about 3, will be kind of perfect to do. Don't mix it too fast. Allow it to take its time and mix up. And you throw in the eggs one at a time. You mix up that one, another egg. You don't throw all the eggs in there at the same time. It's gonna be messy. Not gonna work. That's a tip for cake baking. I guess you know already. Yes. So that's it. So we're gonna try it. There's nothing inside, but we just want to make sure it's working as part of our unboxing. Let me make sure it's off before I start. And kids, don't do this without parent supervision. Promise me. Okay. So there we go. Plug it in. Now we're gonna try it for the first time and see if it works. And look at that. That is speed number 1. Let's move to speed 3. As you can see, it moves from side to side, so it missed nothing. Let's go to speed 7. Wow. Off again. So that's it. Hamilton Beach mixer 300 watt unboxing. Thanks for viewing this video. Please like and share. Tell me what you think in the box below. Please like and share this video. Someone out there might just love to have one of these beautiful equipment to do their baking around Christmas time. Catch you later.